Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Kozhikode location. It is from Kerala. So let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for senior software engineer. So it is from Skak Tech. So coming to responsibilities and qualifications. So firstly, I will go with the responsibilities. Meeting with the technology managers to determine application and website requirements and analyzing system requirements and delegating development tasks and writing scalable code for .NET software applications and also reviewing and debugging .NET applications, and you need to work independently with minimum supervision or work in a team oriented project. So coming to qualifications. Next, you should be having the proven experience as a .NET developer or application developer and familiarity with the ASP.NET Framework, SQL Server and design or architectural patterns, example Model View Controller MVC, and also you should be having the knowledge of at least 1 year of the experience in .NET languages, that is CH, Visual Basic .NET and HTML5 or CSS3, and so you can also check here with the rest of the qualifications, and the candidate should be having his or her BSc or BA in computer science, engineering or related field. So these are the education qualification details for this position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position or else if you want to know more detailed information about this job opening, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for search engine optimization specialist. So it is from ABM India Private Limited. So coming to qualifications, bachelor's degree in information technology or related field is required, and you should be having about 3 years of technical experience, and you should be strong in analytical skills and understanding of all search engines and functions as well as marketing. So coming to responsibilities, you need to review and analyze client sites for areas needed improvement and prepare detailed strategy reports and create and launch campaigns and improve clients' rank in major search engines. So interested candidates for this job opening, if you want to apply, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for senior project management analyst. So it is from Roundel. So coming to about the job, graduate in any discipline, preferably communication management or equivalent is required, and also you should be having about 9 years of total experience in that. 5 years of experience as a creative project manager or account manager or client servicing in the digital space with ability to manage and execute multiple projects, and you should be having the experience with a large marketing or advertising firm or directly with the corporation, and ability to manage and execute multiple projects at the same time, and exposure to multi-channel marketing, creative and communication, and you should be having the exceptional communication skills across all settings, ability to tailor message as appropriate, and resourceful and able to work independently on filling in gaps of information. So these are the details about this position, and coming to responsibilities, so you can check here with all the responsibilities mentioned, and if you want to know more detailed information and also to apply for this position, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for specialist for PHP development. So it is from Nucor Software Solutions. So coming to requirements, 2 to 3 years of experience is required in any PHP framework, and the candidate should be good in analytical and logical skills and well versed with object oriented analysis and design, and knowledge in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Ajax, XML, APIs and SQL. So these are the requirements, and coming to responsibilities, You need to follow new coding convention and inline commenting, and you need to develop proper solution designs based on the requirements and review source code and self-report UT coverage and ensure maintainable, reusable and highly optimized code and troubleshoot, test and maintain the software. Understand the nonsense of advanced modules of the product and provide mentoring and new core SDLC or travel industry process. So these are the responsibilities. So you can check here with all the details mentioned here, and you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for DMC executive position. So it is from Tracon Couriers Private Limited. And coming to about the job, branch DMC coordinator, accountable for updating status, and you need to improve the quality of DRS and prime track and parcel express POD sent to RO on next day after delivery, and mismatch report check on daily basis, and EPS cross check and update on daily basis, DRS tagging or filling with proper marking and validation of RTO shipments before RTO to origin, and corrective measures against fake or wrong updates. So these are the details about this DMC executive position. So interested candidates who are looking for this type of job role, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for telesales team lead. So it is from Xylem Learning. So for this, you should be having the minimum 2 years of experience as team leader for telesales, preferably with the EdTech platform, and also should be having minimum 5 years as overall work experience. And coming to responsibilities, you need to manage both inbound and outbound telecalling teams and provide on job training for team members and ensure proper phone etiquette are followed, and quality analyze call recordings and provide feedback to team members, and you need to create daily, weekly and monthly MIS reports and ensure team members use CRM and all the data is entered in it, and properly and securely manage all lead data and ensure they are fully utilized. So these are the responsibilities for this position. So interested candidates who are looking for this type of job opportunity, so you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing specialist position. So it is from StarTech Store. So coming to qualifications, bachelor's degree or equivalent is required, and fluency in Microsoft Office suite such as Outlook, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, etc. are required, and experience with SEO and SEM, strong written, verbal and collaboration skills are required, and you should be good in social media marketing, Google Ads and analytics, and email marketing and automation. So coming to responsibilities, Mano digital marketing campaigns through all areas of the project lifecycle, and clearly understand and implement digital marketing campaigns which fit their needs, and you need to provide analytical reporting of campaigns to stakeholders. So these are the responsibilities. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position or else if you want to know more detailed information, you can check in the description for the link. Next one, there is a job opening for assistant showroom head. So it is from Malabar Group. So the qualification would be BTech or MTech, and freshers and experienced candidates both are eligible to apply for this position, and they are preferring the candidates from Kerala, and you should be having knowing the languages will be English, Hindi, Tamil, Kannada, Marathi and Telugu, and you can check here with the interview location mentioned here. So interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for marketing coordinator position. So it is from OA Homes. So coming to qualifications, it would be master's degree or equivalent experience is required. The experience would be 1 to 3 years of experience in marketing or brand management is required, and you should be having the excellent written and verbal communication skills and ability to manage multiple priorities, and knowledge of all social networking platforms. So coming to responsibilities, it would be you need to develop and maintain websites, newsletters, emails, social media campaigns, and contribute to marketing and creative brainstorm initiatives, and identify and propose the internal or external ideas and initiatives to help promote general awareness of company brand. So these are the details about this position. Interested candidates, you can check in the description for the link to apply for this position. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.